So, hey viewers, this is a little bit, a little look at this this rim that I purchased to replace this normal rim, 700C rim. We're gonna take a look inside here. We can see it's a double wall. It's got a wall here and another wall. I guess you can't really call that the wall, but the V on it is bent as well. So this is a pretty strong rim. It has lateral stiffness from flexing with this this double wall. Now this is a double wall as well, but I think this is a little bit heavier duty. I might be wrong on that, but I think this extra material, narrowing down like this, has made this a stiffer rim. Looks like a very well-made rim. I purchased this to do a replacement, and I think it's gonna work out really well. I'm curious on this, if it's more aero than my duct tape. My duct tape is definitely gonna be a little further out, but this has also got a nicer finish, and it bees out very nicely, you can see. So this may be more aero, but I'm very happy to have this rim. I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on what it is.